In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check watch history on Facebook. If you've ever watched a video on Facebook and later wanted to find it again, your watch history can be a very useful place to look. Facebook keeps a record of videos you've viewed, and once you know where to find it, the process is actually pretty simple. To get started, go to Facebook and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile before continuing, especially if you manage more than one account or share a device with someone else. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This opens a menu with several account options. From there, select Settings and Privacy, and then choose Activity Log. The Activity Log is where Facebook stores a wide range of actions connected to your account, including things you've watched, liked, searched for, and more. After the Activity Log opens, look over to the left sidebar. Depending on how your Facebook layout appears, you may need to click your Facebook activity to expand or reveal more options. This section helps organize your history into categories, which makes it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Next, choose videos you've watched. This is the section that shows your Facebook watch history. Once you open it, you'll be able to review the videos that have been recorded under your account activity. If you're trying to relocate a specific video, take your time and scroll through the list carefully, since the order and display may vary depending on your recent activity and Facebook's current interface. If you don't immediately see the option, don't worry. Facebook sometimes updates its layout, so the wording or placement may look slightly different. In most cases, the key is still to go through your profile menu, open Settings and Privacy, then Activity Log, and find the section related to your Facebook activity and watched videos. One quick tip: if you're checking your watch history for privacy reasons, remember that this area reflects activity associated with your account. So it's a good idea to review it regularly if you want to keep track of what's being saved. That's all it takes to check your watch history on Facebook. And once you know where the activity log is, finding watched videos becomes much easier whenever you need it.